So I'll show you this keyboard a little bit better. You see it's wired USB-C. It's got a switch on the back here. You can switch it between Apple and Microsoft. That's what it's called. Yeah, we'll plug it in and I'll show you. Yeah, so it's got a bunch of settings on it. So if I hold down the FN key, yeah, I'll go through all the light profiles quickly. But I press this one to change the profile, and I change the color by doing it this way. But on the software online, it gives you a color wheel, and you can adjust like to a specific color, whatever you want. There's that one. There's this one. There's this one. This is just a standard. Oh, this one's breathing. And there's this one. Switch colors out. And then there's these ones. They're like when you press the key, it lights up. And then what's this one? There's this one. This one's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and you can adjust the brightness by doing it by clicking up and down, and then you can adjust the speed by going left and right. And this is just a straight one. Oh, and then this one. Yeah, that's the keyboard. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. I'll send you another video because like you can take the caps off and take the switches out and stuff and replace them with new switches and everything. It's pretty cool.